Here we have a 1902 stick GE Pancake. You'll notice the blade is incorrect. That blade goes on a 1903 to a 1908 Pancake. Anyway, it's 5-speed. It runs pretty well. Let's fire it up. That's the top speed. Doesn't much like that speed. Tends to make a little noise. I suspect because the blade that's on it vibrates, and it's wrong. That's the 2nd speed. 3rd speed. 4th speed. 5th speed. Off. Long spin down time. Notice the reproduction motor tag with a serial number provided by Kim Frank. Motor tag was done by Don Coleman, who does fabulous work.